Hi, I'm Jen, and welcome to Moving to Lake Wylie. So you're thinking about moving to Lake Wylie, South Carolina. Well, as someone who relocated her family here in 2012, I can tell you that Lake Wylie is amazing. If we haven't met yet, my name is Jen, and I'm your Lake Wylie, South Carolina Realtor. If you're ready to make your move to Lake Wylie, let's hop on the phone and chat about your real estate needs. You can book a call with me in the description box below, but for now, let's dive into how to buy a home in Lake Wylie. If you're a first-time home buyer, or maybe you haven't bought a home in a while, or if you're buying and selling at the same time, then this video is for you. Today, I'm walking you step by step through exactly how to buy a home in Lake Wylie, using the same framework I give to my clients every single day. And if you would like the full written version, I walk through this step by step clearly in my buyer guide, which you can download using the link in the description box below. Now let's break down what the home buying process actually looks like here in Lake Wylie. Step number 1, get pre-approved. Before we ever start touring homes, we need clarity, and that starts with getting pre-approved. Whether you're relocating, buying your first home, or trying to buy and sell at the same time, understanding your numbers is step 1. Pre-approval helps you understand your true budget, your estimated monthly payment, your comfort zone, and whether we need to structure your offer around selling your current home first. Without this step, everything else feels uncertain. Once you know your numbers, you can move forward confidently. Step number 2 is signing a buyer representation agreement. The next step is signing a buyer representation agreement. This simply formalizes that I represent you, not the seller. It allows me to show you homes, advise you honestly on pricing, negotiate on your behalf, coordinate inspections and timelines. Signing this does not pressure you into buying, it protects you. I walk through this step clearly in my buyer guide so you understand exactly what it means and why it matters. Step number 3 is defining your wants versus your needs. Now here's where we narrow things down. In Lake Wylie, this matters more than people think. We talk about schools, commute time to Charlotte or to your place of employment, HOA versus no HOA, lake access, new construction versus resale, yard size, and price point. Relocation buyers especially need context beyond photos. You don't just need a house. You need the right fit for your lifestyle. I walk through how to define this clearly in my buyer guide so you don't feel scattered once listings start coming in. Step number 4 is creating a smart home search strategy. Yes, you will browse homes on Zillow, but what really matters is listing alerts that are tailored to your criteria, monitoring homes before they hit fully active, evaluating pricing trends, and understanding how quickly homes are moving. Living in Lake Wylie and moving to Lake Wylie are different experiences. Photos don't show neighborhood vibe, traffic patterns, or proximity to daily conveniences. That's where local guidance makes a big difference. If you're learning a lot so far and are interested in learning more, book a call with me using the link in the description box below, and we can talk specifically about your move to Lake Wylie. You can grab your free Moving to Lake Wylie guide there too. For now, let's get back to it. Step number 5, make a strategic offer. Once you find the right home, strategy matters. We evaluate comparable sales, current competition, inspection timeline, seller motivation, earnest money, and closing flexibility. Lake Wylie homes for sale can move quickly, especially under certain price points. Competitive offer isn't always the highest offer. It's the smartest offer structured to protect you while positioning you to win. Step number 6 is all about understanding contingencies. After your offer is accepted, you enter the contingency period. So what's a contingency? Contingencies are protections written into the contract, and they're there to protect you as a buyer every step of the way before actually getting to the closing table in buying the home. The most common ones are inspection contingency. This is where we inspect the home for any potential repairs needed. This can also include pest inspection, septic tank inspections, and pool inspections. Then there's the financing contingency. This is where we are making sure you're able to secure financing. Appraisal contingency. This makes sure that the home is valued at your loan amount. There's a home sale contingency. We use this if you're needing to sell your current home in order to buy a new one. If you're buying and selling at the same time, then this is especially important. I walk through the different contingencies clearly in my buyer guide, so you understand how to stay protected without overcomplicating your offer. Step number 7 is navigating the inspection period. During the inspection phase, we may schedule general home inspection, a termite inspection, a roof evaluation, radon testing, septic or pool inspections if those are applicable. This is your opportunity to confirm the condition of the home and negotiate repairs if needed. This is not the time to panic. It's the time to evaluate logically and make informed decisions. Step number 8, loan process and appraisal. At the same time inspections are happening, your lender is processing your loan. They will request income documentation, bank statements, tax returns, and employment verification. An appraisal is also ordered to confirm value. I will coordinate with your lender and the listing agent throughout this process, so you're never left wondering what's happening next. And step number 9 is the final walkthrough. Before closing, we do a final walkthrough. We confirm repairs were completed, the home is in agreed upon condition, there's nothing unexpected that has changed. This is simple but very important. And step number 10 is closing day. Closing day includes signing documents, funding being processed, deed recording. Once the deed records and funds clear, you get the keys to your new home. In the state of South Carolina, this is primarily done at the closing table. In the state of North Carolina, it could take a couple of hours depending on what time we close. And you won't be sitting there guessing what's happening. I will give you play-by-play updates so you always know where we are in the process. Throughout the entire transaction, communication is key. You will get regular check-ins from me. I coordinate with your lender, I coordinate with the selling agent, and I coordinate with the title or the attorney's office. Your job is to focus on your family and your move. My job is to keep everything organized, moving, and clear. That's it. That summarizes your 10 steps to buying a home in Lake Wylie. If you want the full written breakdown of this process, I walk through this step clearly in my buyer guide, and you can download it using the link in the description box below. If you're curious about the homes that are available in Lake Wylie, fill out my inquiry form in the description box below, and I'll be in touch with you today to let you know more about it. You can also grab all of my free guides and book a call with me there too. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see videos about living in Lake Wylie. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.